Hey everybody, we are in a town near Desert Rest, and we did the drive today. We're gonna bring stuff and put it in the storage. You want to look at my dashboard? Sorry. And so the U-Haul truck is over at the gas station. And Ridley Market is gone. That's really sad. But it's actually not gone. It's just moved. Let me get my seatbelt so we can move. And there's been a hiccup um, in getting out there permanently. But hey, you know, it's a big move, and who knows what is going on. So we just had dinner at and it was really yummy. I had a spinach salad with some chicken, and Mr. Noel here had what did you have? Oh, you had the hamburger?
I had a burger.
He had a burger, and then oh yeah, cars don't like to start if they're not in park.
Yeah, but I'm not driving my car.
And Mr. J is with us, and Mr. Frog is with us, and they're going to meet us over where the sun's going down. And so we're going to go check out the storage space because we need to. Is there a curb there? A little bit. So, but it was a good drive up. I will talk about the hiccup probably more tomorrow because it's quite the hiccup, and I'm kind of floored myself. I don't know what to think, but my guys are coming up with options, and I am so lucky to have such good friends. So I don't know what else to say right now. But sun's going down. Oh, this is the truck side. I think you have to go through and go around to get to the other side.
Check out this side.
Yeah. They have the big long brushes. Ooh, look at it. Oh no, it is.
They always have this area.
Maybe. I don't know. I never came around this side. They're like, no cars on the truck side.
You can't even go through here.
What is
You're gonna win them up.
No cars on the truck side.
Sorry, truckers.
But
I just wanted to be like you guys.
wanted to feel
I
like
wanted to go take
like
a
a truck. We're in a truck.
There you go. That's one of our fellow truckers.
Yep, there we go.
Right.
Oh, he's got bad words written on the back of his truck. And so look at the price of gas here. $3.59. As soon as we got over the state line, the price of gas went down $1.20. How interesting is that? So, all right, y'all. I just wanted to say hi, give you an update where we're at. There's the cargo trailer with stuff on it, and we are gonna, well, see what the haps is. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a great evenings. Bye bye. Oh, look at the contrails. Oh, chemtrails. But that's not what they are. That one's all squiggly. Okay, bye.